Remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria. Click on the subscribe button and be the first to get notifications.
On the 26th of April 2024, Chief Ayiri'S, the fourth Ologbosere of Warri Kingdom, celebrated his 49th birthday. While Chief Ayiri'S was celebrating faraway Miami, Florida in the United States of America, Itsekiris across different communities in Warri Kingdom held parties, get-togethers and picnics to celebrate the man whom they describe as the pride of the Itsekiri nation. From Sapele to Ugborodo to Ubeji and indeed the city of Warri, Itsekiris converged for merrymaking. Several billboards were put up in Warri and environs in celebration of Chief Ayiri'S birthday by these Itsekiris who continue to insist that for them, Chief Ayiri'S remains the Ologbosere of Warri Kingdom. This is in spite of the double derobing of Chief Ayiri'S as Ologbosere of Warri Kingdom by Ogeme Atuashe III, the Olu of Warri.
Ayiri'S, the Ologbosere of Warri, happy birthday to you. Yes.
Prominent Prince of Warri Kingdom, Yemi Emiko, in his birthday message to Chief Ayiri'S, published on several Itsekiri online platforms, says, and I quote, "Happy birthday to you, dear Chief Ayiri'S, the one and only Ologbosere of Warri, accepted by God Almighty and all our good ancestors who have ruled as Olu in our dear kingdom." Unquote. Before departing for the United States of America, Chief Ayiri had visited Obagoro's community to celebrate with them in an overnight activity that featured traditional dances and merrymaking. Boat ride to Warri, Chief Ayiri'S stopped at the middle of the river to offer prayers to Ummaluku for the progress and prosperity of the Itsekiri nation. To commemorate his 49th birthday, Chief Ayiri'S had granted an exclusive interview to Inside the Niger Delta on the traditional and spiritual crisis in Warri Kingdom.
Let somebody come and tell me I'm not a Ologbosere. I don't bother about it because I know I went through due process. So if anybody needs to challenge me, the person should go to court. So to me, whatever that is happening in Itsekiri today is the wrong foundation that has been laid, which I told them. And once you do that, you can never find peace.
To watch the full-length interview, please subscribe to our YouTube channel at NDN Nigeria.
Inside the Niger Delta.